That was our Little Stars 2014 finalists. Let's give them a round of applause, guys. Ayan, makikita po natin sila sa talent competition on May 10 at the Entertainment Center, Building 2. At exactly 3 p.m. And the grand final is on May 10 at the Entertainment Center, Building 3 at exactly 2 p.m. Congratulations, kids! Palakpakan naman natin mga sarili natin. Our next elimination round is on April 25 and May 2.
Ate Ann, andito ka pa nun.
Okay, kids, smile! Congratulations! This event wouldn't be possible without our gracious sponsors, Flavors of China, Axel, Fujifilm, Roller Funds, Captain Flower House, National Bookstore, Dunkin' Donuts, and Rom Entertainment. Sa lahat po ng mga winners, please look for Miss Cindy de Guzman. Once again, sa lahat po ng mga winners, punta po tayo kay Miss Cindy de Guzman. Mga mommies and daddies, punta po tayo kay Miss Cindy. Santa Lucia Mall is inviting kids ages 10 and below to join the mall. Ready, exit, go! This coming Easter Sunday activity on April 20, Sunday at the Entertainment Center, Building 2.